So I keep seeing comments of people asking how to use Upscayl for free on their Mac because it is not very obvious anymore. If you click to actually download this for the Mac version, it takes you to the App Store and it says $12.99. Well, the thing is, this is a bit misleading. This is not the only way to get Upscayl for Mac, because if you just click on alternative downloads right here, you can scroll down a little bit to where it says DMG free. And if you click on this, it will then save the installation file for Mac to your device. You just click on that, it opens up and it installs Upscayl for free without you having to purchase it. I don't know why they made it kind of, this hidden. For Windows, it's still the same. You click on Windows, it downloads an exe file, and you can install it that way. Another thing that I often get in comments is when people run Upscayl on the device and they kind of run into an error, or they get an error message saying that, the GPU isn't fast enough, or there was some sort of issue with their memory. If that happens, if that's the case, then probably your device isn't strong enough to upscale with this app, because this app runs on your own device. It uses your own processor, your own graphics card. And if that's the case, let me show you another free alternative, which is dgb.lol. This is also free and it runs online on someone else's device. I'll have a link to both Upscayl and DGB in the description. All you do here is scroll down a little bit to where it says AI image upscaler, and then you can drag even multiple files into this on the free version, so you can do it in bulk, which is really cool. You can enhance the input image, which I would recommend, and then you can choose from different models. The default ones up here are 4x upscalers, but you can go up to 6x or even all the way up to 8x on this free upscaler, which is unheard of. The only downside is it takes a while once added to the queue. Let me just show this. If you hit submit, it will add everything into this My Files section right here, which is essentially your queue. But because it's running on a cloud on someone else's device and it's free, you typically have to wait a little bit. In this case, it says 7 minutes for me, but this time varies depending on how busy the servers currently are for them. But considering it's totally free, this is still a great alternative if you have a slow device. Now, if you want to vectorize your files instead, which sometimes actually makes a lot of sense if you're designing t-shirts and they kind of look like vector designs anyway, then you can use Recraft as well to do that process for free. Unfortunately, Vectorize AI isn't free anymore. It used to be.
Smithers, are they booing me?
But Recraft still has a bit of an option to do this. The way it looks once you've signed in and opened a new project is you drag your design into this, then it gets opened up right here and you can click Vectorize at the top, and you can do this with 3 images per day for free, which I know isn't the greatest number, but if you're just starting out, you're on a budget, you can still get a few designs done with this free vectorizer method, and it's a lot quicker than waiting for DGB, and it's very, very clean. If I zoom in right here, you can see vectors have a perfectly crisp edge like this, and it works really well with this kind of graphic. I wouldn't use it if you have a very, very detailed photorealistic image or design, like the Van Gogh style, for example. With that, vectorizing wouldn't be a great option, but in here you even have now the choice to turn on the colors if you wanted to and kind of mess around with that. And because it's vector format, once it's vectorized, you can double click into this and you can also change the colors very easily and affect them over here, which is cool. That's why I really like vectors, is because you just have more control over the individual elements. So there we are. Those are some free options and the tip of how to actually get Upscayl for free on Mac, because I keep seeing comments of people spending the money or wasting the money and not finding the actual free version. If you want to learn about my personal favorite method to vectorize or upscale graphics whilst also removing the background at the same time, then make sure to check out this video next.